Hello, my dear crafters. So I am almost finished with my Christmas in July series, but I didn't want to end without showing you a new collection by Spellbinders. I'll show you two examples here, but the collection is pretty big. First of all, it has a beautiful holiday card making kit. Maybe you have seen it around. I'll show you here on the screen some of the elements of the card making kit. That's one that I will for sure get, and when I get it, I'll show you. But the collection has ephemera, it has paper like 6x6, it has press plates, die cuts, I mean, you name it. It's a big collection. And today I'm just going to show you two things that I have that Spellbinders has sent me. One is the beautiful 3D. You guys know I love my 3D embossing folders. This one is called Christmas Cameos. It's the 3D, gorgeous. And as you know, the 3D, what I love about it too, first of all, the designs are great, but also if you cut this in half, you have two cards here because it's big enough for that. So both of these cards here were made, these panels were made using that Cameos 3D embossing folder. And the other item I want to show you is my favorite of the collection. It's called gifting bow dies. So it has this gift bow here, beautiful for cards, for boxes. I love the sentiments. A gift for you, great for gift boxes. So to put this, like make a panel like this and put it on the lid, for example, and merry and bright, but a lot of goodies. And I'll show you all these decoration pieces here. But the bow is the star of the show. So I will have the link to the whole collection and to these individual items below. Let me just show you two card fronts that I have here. They can also be used for lids, so for gift boxing. So I used a gift for you here. So a beautiful embossing folder. See, you can see the embossing part. How gorgeous is that? You can use the bows on the top and bottom, or you can just use on the top like I did here. I had this, this is like an ephemera piece, cardboard ephemera piece that I had. Perfect for that, so I just used one. But again, I use the embossing folder, which is amazing. And I'll be using this a lot in the future. So very simple. It helps you if you're in a hurry and you have the ephemera piece, you put this bow and it just makes it pop. So these are the two examples I have for you. Do check the full collection because it is gorgeous. And guys, the card kit is amazing. So I still don't have it. When I do, I'll show you the whole thing. But I will show you, I'll have the link below to that as well. So that's it for today. Yeah, the dies and the 3D embossing folder. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will have the link below also for my sleeves and my magnetic sheets, okay? And that's how I do it. I put this on the back so I know what it is. And when I look at it months and months from now, because I will come back to this when we start our Christmas, especially the craft fair series, then I know exactly what it is. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.